We just finished dinner and it's time for the best dessert place in Istanbul, Hafiz, Mustafa. Got the Taksim Square. This is where like the main metro stations are. You know, this is where all the shopping starts. Not really much stuff to do here, but it's good to see it. It's a good place to people hang out. We're gonna go find some food. Okay, you gotta go through this nice garden just to get in the palace. It's beautiful. Everyone's having fun with their families. Just walking on the outside of the walls of the palace, about to go in. It's very romantic. There's lots of people just sitting down enjoying the park and the weather. So let's see how it is inside. So I came for Maghrib prayer, and one thing is what the time of prayer is like 40 minutes before they shut down the masjid for tourists, so you can come to the Blue Mosque and have it pretty much empty and just wait, and you can hear the adhan and pray inside the mosque. So good tip if you want to come and just get some quiet time away from the tourists and check out the mosque. So this street has a lot of amazing Turkish restaurants, so we're gonna first try the Turkish pizza. We're gonna smash it. It's all halal. The pepperoni's halal, everything's halal, so we're gonna eat. Oh, it's big, it's big. Okay? Oh, the meat's so fatty and the cheese is so nice and the bread is soft but it's crispy. The flavor is in the meat. Oh my god. MashaAllah, you have to come here. Okay, Kebab, I'm gonna smash it. So let's take some of the bread, some onions and tomato. Nice big piece of kebab. Look at the fat. Oh, it's really good. Oh, it's really good. It's like crispy, juicy, salty. Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Okay, we just finished dinner and it's time for the best dessert place in Istanbul, Hafiz, Mustafa. Okay, we're ready? Are you guys ready? That's crazy. Oh my god.
It's beautiful. It's not sweet. It's not too sweet. Crispy. It's cheesy. Pistachio-y. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Good morning. It's time. It's my last day in Istanbul, and for the morning, I've scheduled a Turkish hammam. So it's a nice way to just relax and enjoy some of the, relaxation and try out this Turkish hammam that everyone's been talking about. So let's see how it feels. I just need to relax a bit. Just like all of us, we all need to relax sometimes. So we're gonna walk through the Blue Mosque, and it's gonna be right there, right in between the Blue Mosque and the Hagia Sophia. Let's go. Okay, just got some pomegranate juice, freshly squeezed. He just cut up like 2 pomegranates and then just squeezed them. So there's nothing else is in it, no added sugar, no water, no other juices, just pomegranate. Let's try it. Oh, that's so good. It's really sweet. It tastes amazing. If you like pomegranate, you gotta try this. Right beside the Blue Mosque.